In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Notion versus Obsidian versus Logseq, 3 of the most talked about knowledge management and note-taking tools, so you can figure out which one fits your workflow and thinking style. Notion is like a versatile digital workspace. It lets you mix notes, tasks, databases, boards, and calendars all in one place. Many people love Notion because you can build pages that look the way you want, turn them into structured databases, embed tables or media, and link everything together. It works equally well for project planning, writing, personal databases, and team collaboration. Since everything lives in a central workspace, you can easily share content with others and combine different types of information seamlessly. If you enjoy building your own systems, whether that's a habit tracker, a knowledge base, a content schedule, or a wiki, Notion gives you the flexibility to do it all without switching tools. Obsidian takes a different approach, focusing on markdown files stored locally on your device rather than in the cloud by default. This gives you full control over your files and makes everything fast and private. Where Obsidian really shines is in linking your thoughts together. You can create bidirectional links between notes, build a graph view that shows connections, and expand your knowledge base organically like a web of ideas. For writers, researchers, and deep thinkers who want a personal knowledge system that grows with them, Obsidian's linking and plugin ecosystem are extremely powerful. You can add plugins for daily notes, task management, custom views, and more, shaping the app to your exact style. Because it's local and plugin-driven, Obsidian rewards users who enjoy tailoring their environment and appreciate speed, privacy, and control. Logseq blends aspects of both, but with its own unique flavor. It's built around an outline and block-based workflow, where every piece of information is a block you can link, tag, and reorganize. Like Obsidian, Logseq uses local files in Markdown or org format. It also emphasizes daily journaling and backlinking, making it easy to jot ideas quickly, connect them, and revisit them later. Logseq's interface pushes networks of thought. You see how your ideas relate across pages and contexts, which helps with deep thinking, planning, and project organization. Many people find Logseq ideal for daily capture, project outlines, and knowledge networking because its tools encourage you to connect thoughts and track ideas without strict structure. While all three tools are powerful, they also have trade-offs. Notion's biggest strength is its flexibility and visual structure, but that same flexibility means a learning curve. You may spend time building your ideal setup before it feels comfortable. Also, because Notion is cloud-centered, offline support isn't as robust or seamless as local-first apps. Obsidian's focus on local markdown files gives speed, privacy, and control, but it expects you to get used to plugins and configuration. If you prefer a fully polished, out-of-the-box experience with minimal setup, Obsidian can feel more technical at first. Logseq's outline-first approach is great for capturing and linking ideas quickly, but if you need highly visual layouts or collaborative teams, it might feel more limited compared with Notion's unified workspace. So when might you choose one over the others? Go for Notion if you want a flexible, all-in-one workspace that handles notes, tasks, databases, and team collaboration with ease. Consider Obsidian if you value privacy, local control, deep linking of ideas, and a customizable plugin-rich environment for personal knowledge. Choose Logseq if you like outline-based thinking, daily capture, and building a linked web of thoughts in a simple local system. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Notion, Obsidian, or Logseq, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.